This is the last installment of our organizing series, and I am tackling the kitchen today. Now, this is our kitchen. This kitchen sold me on this house. I absolutely love it. After living with it for a while, I'm not crazy about the color of the cabinets, but I still love the space. You'll see that there are a lot of organizational features built in, which really do help with keeping things in order. But today I'm just going to make a few changes. I want to take this stuff that's in here and put it over here. Everything on this top shelf is going in the trash. Paper towels and other paper products are going to go here. My plan for the pantry was just to give it a good cleaning, put like items together and to cover the floor with contact paper. We've had a few spills over the years, and oil can get just sucked into this wood panel. It was difficult to record the contact paper going down, but it took me about 15 or 20 minutes to measure and cut it and just lay it out. I think it turned out pretty good. In this series, we've tackled 2 bathroom cabinets, 1 laundry room cabinet, a linen closet, half of the kitchen, and there's still so much more to do. I've heard from a few of you that you have done a little bit of organizing yourself, and I'm so happy that you were inspired. Now let's work on keeping it all organized, and I'll see you next Monday.